Yeah, I'm thinking about that, but maybe I have to be more rich, honestly, because
Nah, you
too
don't have
much
to be
cost
rich to have
to live.
babies. Poor people can have babies.
Yeah, yeah. T-shirt, hoodie, then wall mat, like this one. You can see my wall mat.
Yeah.
All are my designs.
Oh no, let me look, let me look, let me look, let me look. Hello, my friend.
Hi. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you. Yeah, I'm at home right now.
Okay. There's a night time there.
Yeah, it is 9 o'clock at night. Yeah, my family's away right now, so I have the house to myself. So
It's also 9:16 a.m. here.
1 o'clock in the morning. Oh my gosh.
It's morning here. I work all
Yeah, that's
night.
crazy. I see. For real.
It's around 14 hours.
Yeah,
Still work.
that's crazy. It's more than what I work. I'll tell you that.
Okay, can you share your screen?
Yeah, how do we do that?
Can you see a up arrow on your screen?
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
just click on that option. Then click on interior skin.
Oh, okay, 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 okay.
Maybe you will able to see a skin.
Okay.
Okay, okay. Just click on the skin, and then share.
Oh, okay, 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 okay. Okay, you see it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's great, great.
Hey, okay, I'm ready.
I'll send that
I
file again.
already
No problem.
extracted it.
No need to
I
start.
was already able
I
to
think
download it though.
I think this file must already. Did you download it from any other website?
Yeah.
No need to do that. Just download from my link, which I sent you. I'm sending you that Illustrator file first. Then I'll send the Adobe Photoshop.
Okay. And WhatsApp?
Not actually WhatsApp. It's not will share
E-
on WhatsApp because it's a too heavy file.
on email?
Okay. What type of business you doing? Uh, Files are uploading. No problem. Okay.
Just like online.
Okay. So we'll get some times to discuss about both ourselves. What type of business you have?
I have a lot. So I work at a place and then I just start businesses. And right now I'm doing online businesses like eBay, Amazon, Etsy, and Walmart.com.
Oh, I'm saying that since 2014, I'm providing graphics service. Maybe I told you about that. I'm trying to providing all type of graphics.
So no family or anything like that? A lot of beautiful women in Bangladesh, no?
Yeah, I'm thinking about that, but maybe I have to be more rich, honestly, because
Nah, you
too
don't have
much
to be
cost
rich to have
to live.
babies. Poor people can have babies.
But I'm thinking,
Hell
my
yeah.
family also my family are thinking about that. But honestly, I'm too much busy, too much busy.
Yeah.
A lot of projects in hand. I have not enough time to think about that right now.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm trying to grow up my agency. I have a team. It's around 20 members in my office.
Yeah.
This is my office.
Wow. Yeah, that's a lot. That's crazy. That's good. I wish I had that for my online business.
I can help you for any kind of graphics tasks. If you need any help to design anything
Heck yeah, we're gonna
graphics related, then I can help you. No problem. Maybe you have a family, right?
do. Yep. Yeah, they're about to be here in a little bit. Big family.
Big family.
Lots of kids, lots of boys.
Lots of kids. Oh my god. Really?
Yeah, I have four boys.
Oh my god. Oh my god. How lucky you are. It's
Yeah.
4 boys. Oh my
I
god.
wear I work in a restaurant. I'm a general manager at a restaurant, and we do like $100,000 in revenue a week, and that's a lot of food. So, and then on my off time, I do this, and then on top of that, we do the father thing.
What about your business?
What did you say?
I mean to say that. What about your business? The online business.
Oh yeah, so I got into Amazon and eBay and Etsy and Walmart.com. But I started selling on eBay just knives and stuff like wholesale. And then I started buying stuff from China in bulk. But then I started 3D printing my own invention. And so that's what we're working on right now is that invention that I made. So I just got it on Amazon and I want to get it in store. So I need the packaging to get it in store. So once we get the packaging, I'm going to go door to door to every store in our state, wherever we are, and see if I can sell in their store. And we'll have the online sales to back it up. And then once we do that, we go into patent, licensing, and copyright and all that.
Did you think about t-shirt graphics on Etsy or Amazon? Did you think before
No. Nope.
about
No, I'm the only
t-shirt
one.
graphics?
I'm the only one. Oh,
Oh,
t-shirt graphics?
yeah, t-shirt, hoodie, then wall mat, like this one. You can see my wall mat.
Yeah.
All are my designs.
Oh no, let me look.
All are my designs.
Oh yeah, no, yeah, that's your logo. Oh, that's you. Yeah. So you sell these on Amazon and stuff on
Not
t-shirts
actually.
or what?
Actually, they doesn't support our country. We are unlucky, honestly. We are really unlucky. We can't sell anything on Amazon, eBay,
What?
directly. Yeah, I have a
But you
lot.
can sell your services.
I have a lot of clients. They sell also there's a graphics for a ready T-shirt on Amazon, and I just designed for them. That's it.
Your problem is your location.
Yes. They are unlucky.
Man, why? That's crazy.
Did you think before?
What's that?
If you want, I can provide you something highly professional graphics for clothing business. You will able to sell them on Amazon, eBay,
What business? What'd you say? You broke up a little
it's
bit.
a t-shirt business, t-shirt graphics.
Because I know where to get the fabric. So what I do is I found the big designers. So I found their clothing, but what I lack is the design. And I got the printing and everything, but it's the design that is, and the software and the learning and this and that that goes into it that really like stopped me from doing it. But yeah, that makes sense.
Can you stop sharing your screen? I want to share something with
Yeah.
you.
Yeah. Okay.
How cool is it?
It's a baby.
Yeah, one of them.
Okay. Can I see him?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, so cute. She's- I boy or
Oh boy, all
boy.
boys, yeah.
Boy, oh, it's so cute. I'm still working on this project. This one,
Is that GIMP?
yeah, it's for a T-shirt. He will print on T-shirt.
Yeah.
This graphics.
What program is this?
It's Illustrator, Adobe Illustrator.
Oh, okay.
Actually, I'm using Adobe Illustrator for high-res design.
Okay.
It's perfect for any kind of print.
Oh, Etsy. Oh, you're on Etsy. Yeah, that makes sense.
Can you see this
Oh,
pattern?
stop. Yeah.
Okay.
Did they print that?
Let me share my portfolio. Those graphics for cap, embroidery printing.
Embroidery.
This one.
Yeah.
You can see this one.
Yeah.
This is my
Yeah.
design. Selling they selling on Etsy.
Do you know how many they sold?
Let's check. Oh my god.
2. Wow. Oh yeah, that's good, dude.
Can you think
Heck yeah.
about this?
Yeah, it's
Oh
nice.
my god.
Where are they selling that? Where is that?
On Etsy. This selling on
Oh,
Etsy.
anywhere. You can buy it anywhere.
Maybe I charge for the design $50. You cannot believe that. It's oh my god. I didn't take it. I just saw that. And
Yeah, that's
lot of
crazy, dude.
graphics like this one. Recently, I made a design like this one. This one for my client. They sent me this sample. This sample, okay. They sent me this sample, and I made this design from there. If you have any plan to sell t-shirt graphics, t-shirt hoodie,
Yeah.
graphics, then you can knock me.
Yeah, no, for sure. We will.
Okay, it's a $1 million market in it's a only graphics related business. If you think about this business, then you can knock me. Okay, I'll
Yeah, no, for
I'll
sure.
provide you
No, we will.
high quality graphics in a low price.
Yep. Yeah, man. For sure.